The Department of Social Work, University of Kashmir has organized two-day training workshop for school teachers on mental health literacy. The objective of this two-day training workshop is to develop the capacity among the teachers, particularly with regard to the mental health issues, whether it is a substance abuse or the suicide prevention, how we can identify the symptoms at the initial stage and subsequently refer to them. The government has launched many schemes in the area of mental health. For example, you have Telemanas and all. So even you can now call and the concerned person and refer a patient. So we have invited different school teachers from different districts and who are attending this two-day training workshop organized by the Department of Social Work, University of Kashmir. Different experts have been invited, and there will be different sessions which will be held to help the teachers to develop their capacities in the area of mental health and substance abuse prevention. The department has also been conducting the certificate course on counseling skills in drug addiction. Almost 3 batches of the said course have passed and who are working in different sectors, whether it's the government or the non-government, and the counseling skills which they have been certified, they are discharging their duties in these organizations. In addition to that, the department continuously works in the area of mental health. Presently, it's working on a research project sponsored by the ICMR, where we are trying to develop a manual, particularly for the school teachers, that this manual will help them in terms of identifying the school children who have certain symptoms or certain issues, and subsequently what are the techniques which they can use, like mindfulness or other techniques, which is also the focus of the two-day training program.